It's nice to meet you to this new episode of Wigbit. Sony CDP-791. Fantastic. And the connector, but first we need Mr. Brush, in case of that is a little bit dusty, only a little bit. I do that before my fingers. We need that, and we connect them. We'll see what's happened with it, and power on, and nothing. Nothing. It's nothing. But I got the information. I have a second one where I can get the spare parts for it. Maybe we have luck. First thing what we got is we open this machine and taking the screwdriver and open it. It was open. I hope so the screws are inside. And if not, I have a second machine of this, and we should, or I should make from two pieces one working good piece. It's interesting if we can do that. Funny, I have a door. Look, I have a door here. Like to have a watch inside. Maybe it's a trivial failure or it's complicated, and we can interchange it from the other CD player what I get, and so I need to open it. What is this? Looks not good. Not fine. Interest. Maybe the power supply is failed. Or should we interchange it? This is an interesting question. Should we take this out as a part or not? Or should we measure? First I would like to measure the voltage, but I would look what I found out. Look at this. Here is a is cutted, so that means cannot work. What shall we do? We can interchange the front and also this not so nice looking cable. I don't know what has happened with this, but I don't know what they are doing here, why they cutting the cables or so. This is for me not understandable. First we should disconnect this cable and I'm not so happy with that, but okay. Just pressed it in, and this pressed it in, and put it out. You're not so. I'm not happy with it. And we take the other side from the cable. Look at this. This is the stop. Cable stopper, and we take the other machine in case of that we are deinstalling the front, and hope so we can put that out. first thing we must deinstall these feeds or not. Is that not possible? Is that not good? Should we install this first? We install that. All the screws where the double arrow is. There is a double arrow. We install this and check up. Is that maybe we must deinstall all of them. I don't understand why this cable is so destroyed, and so maybe we should also deinstall. Oh, in the feed. It's in the feed, the double. Also here, we must deinstall this. Not that what I'm doing is wrong. Must deinstall the feeds. And the thing is that we should disconnecting first this and that. White one and the red one, and bring this cable out, and also disconnecting this here, and so the drive. We cannot move the drive, and so it is not possible to get that out. Or is it possible to get it out? Here is nothing. Here is also nothing. That's installed in front, and it takes this. It's not how I can get out this. Impossible. This is impossible to get this out. If we cannot interchange this, maybe we can open it here, and so we can release the drive for moving that out or not. Is that possible? We can, but it's super. You can measure here. Yeah, where we can release the drive. Can we release it here? That possible? No, it's not possible, huh? I cannot move the shifter. Crazy. This is crazy. This makes me crazy. Why? I cannot put it out. In case of that, I cannot put the drive out. Why? And is that possible to move that out here? No, it's not possible. We must build it out. This is nuts. Why is this interrupted? I don't know. I don't know why. That makes me nervous. Disconnecting this with drilling. If you disconnect this drive, please with drilling. This is important. I cannot move it out in case of that we I cannot go to this part. How you can open it from outside? It's not possible, huh? It's really not possible. We would like to remove that. Oh! I remove it complete. Can remove it complete? No. No way. Crazy. This is crazy. Why? Ah! It's with a glue. It's with a glue. So, but now we would like to. Can we open it a little bit? Yes, with this. Maybe here. Oh, we can look. It's now. See, you can move it, and now I can bring that out and come here to this place and release this, and so I can interchange it. So look, this was my problem. Yeah, but we must move this away. This is the second drive I would like to remove, and I must press in here this power supply and remove this like the other machine. Where? So I would like to have in the other thing. I hope so we don't have a problem with that. Don't have an issue like this machine. Okay, so we can put that out, put it in the other machine. This will be nice. And now we know that we disconnecting this here and here, and we must here are the parts. Look, the parts. We must this and this. Put it in this plastic pack, screws on this machine, and now we can remove that. Klack, klack. Super. Oh my gosh, this was the failure where the other we removed. So we take this part, and put it here, and we put that drive back. Very funny. You can see. Put that back. We hope so. That is the failure. It's only if you have the parts, then you can change all without repairing it. It's funny, huh? And we put it in the power supply cable. Making this click in, click, click, finish, and we must put that in. Super, and that. Okay. Now it should work. It should work or not. We take a CD and put it on and power on. Nothing. Nothing. It's nothing. This is interesting, huh? Nothing, doesn't work. But we can measure a little bit here. We have the transformer here, and here must be two voltages, plus 10 and minus 10 volts. And maybe this is working. We have the idea. Oh, I see one thing. What is here? Okay, I disconnect it again. Is that the failure? Could be. They have no ground in the front. No good ground. So, and bring it on. No, nothing. Nothing happened. What it is? It's the same problem like the other machine. This could be. Here we have two electrolytic cups, and this is the power supply. We measure now the voltage. You can see that. Oh, it's not so good to see. Look at this. Here is the Q202, and the input is something with minus 13 volts. The negative voltage is coming out, and on the other side it's minus 13 volts. Interest. Is this the FET transistor? This is the Q203 and 0.8 volts. And here is the middle, 18, and here is the left, 0.16 volts. This means here on the plus 13 come not out. 203. What is 203? The 202 should be the negative, and the 203 is the positive. But there is the switch in between. It could be this is the switch or the cable. You must press in the disconnecting it and pressing the plastic better. Maybe the switch is not good. Look here what I found out. There is a little fuse. This code like P something P PS202, and I measure on the right side. Where is the power in? You see 13.7 volts, and then I measure on the output and minus 0.8 volts. That means this fuse is defect. We change this fuse. First disconnected from the mains, and we are disconnecting this. It's not so easy to build out, but we must disconnecting this and this and that and that and that and that and that, and this plasticky we feeling, yeah. And then we put that out with installing the screws, disassemble it, and disassemble the board. Not so, be careful, it's an old print, and if you change the old print, it's not so. Let's have a watch around where we have this part. Here's a plastic that we must hold then but we must also install disassemble the transformer here. It's on the, you see, there are 2 screws on both sides. This is also a super thing. Now we are disassembling the connectors here, the optical and the stereo out, fixed and regulated or variable. So, but we cannot put the board out, we must install the back plane. Not funny. Or we should take it out from the front side. We take it out from the front side, so we can, it's not a must that we must reinstall everything on it. You see, we can remove that front part, and so we okay, this board is out. Now we desolder the fuse. We must desolder this transistor looking where is this? It's here. Okay, look at this. It's a fuse 20 N25V. 2.5 ampere. Can that be? And now we would like to measure, is there a short on the second side or not? For this we need this meter, and we go into the tester and we'll test this out. You cannot see it, but so we would like to have know, is there a short here or not? Okay, and we measure to the ground. Where is the ground? I think so. Here is one ground. There is no short. Also the capacitors have no short, but it's a joke. It's only in case of that is high loaded, and now this is the current is floating over there, but there is no short. No, it's no short, but we would like to build in I made one of these special things from a row of this, cut it, and this is the fuse injector. Put it here, and we can make a connected fuse to it. Oh, what's happened? Interest. Okay. Okay. It's falling apart. No, we would like to, I must hold it by my hand, but now we need a third hand. Okay, now it's okay. So the input pin, and now we must make a a special fuse. We must build it. It's a fuse and 3 contacts. We cutting this out a little bit and remove the middle pin. We remove the middle pin, and so we are soldering here now a fuse on it, and this is this fuse. We solder it on it and hope so it is working. Very funny. We must build a fuse because I don't have a fuse like this from the industry. You see? Soldered it. And we connect it to here and here. You can see that. I would like to solder this here and here. Yeah, yes, my hands are shaking, but I don't know why. Okay. This is now my, oops. So, you see? And I might need a wire back here. A back wire for this little sink. Oh, no. It goes up. Maybe the pressure was too high inside or not. Does that have a connection or no? It have a connection. No, but no, this is not so funny. Almost. But I don't deinstall it again, or I make a wire here, or 10 ohms, so we have power. This is not so nice. Take this 0.5 wire, millimeters, it's not inch. And solder it here. Cutting it here. Then solder it again on the other side. It's hot. It's really hot. Oh. Don't know why it's so hot. So, and now I should hold it through it, and then it's working or not. This, please. Okay. It's hot. Look. This is the standard fuse for the, yeah. You can put a shrink tube over it. Oh, look at it, here it is. It's a special part. No. Stand-up fuse. Okay, I'll put it in. and I will first connecting the transformer, the heavy part of it, and here the other side. Installing this, installing the back side. This is here and here. Optical part. Put that back. And assemble this board. Here are the plastic screws, yeah, that you must understand. It's for the plastic connection, and here we must also bring in this. This is a metal screw, but not a driver, it's a metric screw. So we must connect the power and hope so that does flash up. Connecting these two wires for the audio. These are shielded cables. We must find out what's happened and connecting this, but softly. Be careful with this cable. Hold it all the time with two hands and then press it in. Also this should be become careful in. So now we would like to have, is it in a flash or not? We connect it to the mains and we see, poof. Oh, look! It looks, maybe it works. Now we make the first test. Open the tray, putting the CD in, close it, and what is now? Now we have an issue on the drive. Okay, it spins up. We say play. No disc. Super. What is this for a failure? No disc. Maybe the laser is defect or not. We take out a disc. We take a disc here. Put it in and shoop, 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 shoop. Play. Maybe the laser light is too low. Here is the laser backup from the back side. This is the focus, this is the power, and we're making a black strip on it, okay, that we know where we change from which position. The middle is the focus bias. This focus bias. Don't turn this switch around, this trimmer around, this potentiometer. And this is the EF balance potentiometer. And we put this power focus to the right, I think so, to the right. Maybe we have more power. Is that possible that we get more power? Wrong screwdriver. Look, here we are. Now we put that. Okay, we put it to the right a little bit and hope so that the CD will be, there's no power. The CD will now check up better and nothing, doesn't spin up. That means we must move to the other side. We put it in the other direction. And doesn't work. Oh, not good. Okay. Can we see the laser? Doesn't work again. Why? Why is that so? I think I interchanged the drive. In case of that, we say this is machine 1 and this is the machine 1. Yeah, we say 1 to it. Okay. We should write it 1. Okay, this is 1. It's also transformer 1, and this is 2. Part 2. Yeah, of the second machine. We disconnect it and interchange the laser, pick up and the complete drive. We interchange the complete drive. Why? Because I don't know why. Because I disconnect the mains. Don't forget this if you're doing something inside the machine. Pick up this, and here we put 1 on it. Or is it 1? 1? No, it's 2. It's the second machine. But what should I say? I only can do that in case of that I have 2 machines. But 2 failures is not normal. If you have 1 failure, it's normal. But if you have 2 failures, then somebody have doing something wrong inside the machine. Oh, okay. I must interchange the drive and we will see what's happened. Doesn't come off. Okay, put it out, and this also put out. Maybe the KSS 240A is defect, and we would like to see. Be careful now, and we disconnect it here. We disconnect it here, put the other drive in, connecting it. Be careful, yeah, I cannot say it 1,000 times, but it is so. And if we have this and this doesn't work, then we know we have 2 defect lasers. Switching it on. Drive goes out, putting that in, and spins up, and Play. It's working! Bravo! Super! The laser pickup is also defect. Fuse, laser pickup, flex PCB, 3 failures on one machine. That was the Sony CDP-791 with 3 failures. One is the flex cable, second is the fuse, and the third is the drive, the KSS240A. I interchange it because I have a second drive, complete CD player, and there was the motherboard defect. And so I have one CD player, one working. That's good. Yes, if you like my channel, please subscribe, and I say thank you for watching.